Hi, first graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and we're finally in the month of November. So hopefully you haven't eaten too much Halloween candy, and hopefully you're ready for the holiday to come, Thanksgiving, right? So we're gonna be thinking about Thanksgiving and turkeys and all that good stuff. And good news, my favorite color is orange, and it works for October because of Halloween and for November because Thanksgiving. Why not? Okay, you guys. Here we go. We are going to start with a make me true. So if I have a number bond, not with that marker, I don't get a new marker. Okay, if I have a number bond, I want you to make it true. Okay, so up here I'm going to put the number 10, and I'm going to put the number 5 here. Which number is missing? 5 plus what makes 10? So let's think about that. If our whole number is 10, or you could think about these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know there's a part of it that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the missing part? Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe you already knew that because maybe you already knew 5 plus 5 makes 10. And maybe you guys are like, yes, Mrs. Compton, because hands. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Okay, let's do another one. I think I'm going to change this. Let's see. Maybe I'll do a 12 and a 5. 12 and a 5. Okay, everybody hit pause. I want you to think about this. Now we have 12, and part of that 12 is 5. Hit pause. Okay, on the count of 3, ready? You're going to tell me what you think the missing number is. 1, 2, 3, tell me! Did you say 5? No, can't be 5 because 5 plus 5 makes 10, not 12, right? So last time this was 10, so if we add 2 more on, that makes 12. So our missing number, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's still circled. So our missing number must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7. There's 2 more now because 12 is 2 more than 10. Okay, so our missing number is 7. 5 plus 7 makes 12. All right, I'm going to give you another one. Let's see here. I think I'm going to do 20 at the top. What do you think about that? Here's a 20 at the top and an 8 for the missing piece. Okay, kids, everybody hit pause. Figure out what our missing number is. Ready? Pause. What will it be? Oh yeah, you're still here. Okay, we've got to find out now. 20 and plus, or excuse me, 8 plus what makes 20? All right, let me get my colors going. Okay, here we go. Here's 20. Check my work. Let's count by 2s. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And I didn't even drop them. Okay, so I've got 20. If part of it is 8, here's 8 right here. I know 8 and 2 make a 10, so I just peeled off 8. The other part is this, right? So I've got a 10 and a 2 more. So our missing number must be a 12. All right, you guys got it. Okay, I know this is all going to fall down, so I better put this down before I just drop them all in. You know what happens. Things get a little wild in here. All right. So I want to talk to the kids at Meadows today. We're going to give a big shout out to Meadows and say, hi, Meadows. Hi, everybody at Meadows. And today we're going to say hi to Mrs. Walsh's class at Meadows. Hi, Mrs. Walsh's class. And guess what? Gia is in our story problem today. Hi, Gia. Okay, here we go. We've got a story about turkeys because it's Thanksgiving time. Here we go. Gia saw big turkeys on the farm. Then she saw some small turkeys. Gia saw turkeys all together. Okay, so I have to stop there for a second. That was a lot of information to take in. Okay, so we're going to know the number of big turkeys that Gia saw. And then it says she saw some small turkeys. Do we know how many small turkeys she saw? Doesn't tell us, does it? Gia saw turkeys all together. Are we going to know how many turkeys she saw all together? How many small turkeys did Gia see? Okay, so we're just wondering about the small turkeys, not the big turkeys. We're thinking about how many small turkeys she saw. All right, Gia, are you ready to see your number sets? I think so. Here we go. We've got 6 and 10, or you might choose 6 and 20, or you might choose 16 and 30. And what do I always say every time? Make sure you have a super solid, strong number set strategy for this one before you move on to the other two, right? This isn't about how fast you can go. It is about how good you can make your strategy and the connections between all the numbers and the ideas going on in your head. All right, so let's pick a set and read it one more time because we need to. Here we go. Turkeys. Gia saw 6 big turkeys on the farm. Then she saw some small turkeys. Gia saw 10 turkeys altogether. How many small turkeys did Gia see? Okay, so I want you to tell me, how many big turkeys did she see? Everybody tell me. It tells us in the story, right? It says she saw 6 big turkeys. Now, I want you to show me 6 on your fingers. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. So Gia saw 6 big turkeys. And how many turkeys did she see all together? She saw 10 turkeys all together. Now, my big question to you is, are the big turkeys part of that 10? What do you think? Are the big turkeys part of that 10? All right, kids, it's up to you. Grab your math tools. Grab your paper. Grab your brain. Make sure you're awake. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.